Alright, I'm back. Can't stay away. Honestly, I have missed filming so much. And the last time I filmed was yesterday. And I've got so much to catch you up on since yesterday because so much has happened. Okay. When pretty much I stopped filming, we went and just carried on with what we were doing. I started to FaceTime my mum in England and a storm hit overhead. Blooming Energix are having a right year, aren't they?
Why is it only summer? Oh, damn. Is it because,
Well, it's hot.
and then there's more water taken up to the sun, making more clouds, making more electrical energy thingos. Damn. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Really bad. So it was the most lightning I think we've ever seen. It was just constant lightning, floods of rain, and then the power went out as we were FaceTiming. So we had to stop that. And basically it sounded like the world was crashing around the house. We thought it was giant hail because all we could hear was bang, bang, all over the garden, all over the roof, everywhere. And this went on for a few hours, and then eventually it kind of stopped and the power was out all night. So we ended up, this was Christmas Day by the way, we ended up just kind of sitting around a tiny little iPad in the movie room watching a kind of a movie of sorts on there. This morning we woke up, went outside, and there was trees everywhere. So there was trees down the side of the pool, one in the pool. It had brought the lights down. There was one where the hot tub is. There was a tree through the neighbour's roof, literally through the neighbour's roof, because they've got tiles. So it landed in the roof, and obviously they've got a whole issue there. So there's a whole tree in the garden. And in the pool. And over the fence. And across the garden. Oh my goodness. Honestly. Next door got a tree through their roof. So we got off pretty lightly, if you ask me. What a nightmare. It was pretty scary, to say the least. Ah, man. Wow. I mean, I'm speechless, to be honest. Thank goodness we didn't have a tree through the roof. We did have one on the roof that had dinted it. So the roof's dinted because it's a tin roof. Or metal roof, whatever it is. So this morning, Boxing Day, what we've been doing is clearing up. So basically everybody, apart from Stephen, because he was feeling really panicky. Like he was getting a bit nauseous and worked up. about it, and we didn't obviously want him to get involved. We just told him to sit and try and chill out, and we would do the clearing up. So me and Elliot, my boy Elliot, bless him, he's so gorgeous. He helped me get everyone moved the twigs and branches and trees from the garden into the front, and me and Elliot loaded the truck a few times and went and dumped them. Absolute nightmare. Oh, look what's on the window at the minute. Stick insect. It's huge. It's just like chilling there. So I'm glad we didn't accidentally mistake him for a branch. So the garden's looking so much better. Everything's been cleared up. I've hung the lights again. They'd crashed into the pool, and so I've hung them back up, and we've just gone through the whole garden and kind of got rid of everything. So you couldn't even write it. You couldn't write it, honestly. It's like So I want some R&R, and I was thinking, you guys love, sorry, something on my screen. You guys love Kmart. I love Kmart. Kmart does the most amazing Boxing Day sales. I remember last year when I got amazing candles for like 50 cents each, ornaments for 25 cents each. So I know it's going to be crazy, there's going to be queues, but I want to go and have a look and see what they've got. I also want a charm from Pandora, because my mum sent some money, and I want to get a charm with the money that my mum sent, or a few, because there's 50% off, so fingers crossed I'll be able to get one. But I'll take you with me. Let's go and have a look. I'm sorry for that whole ramble before we set off. I just had to tell you what had happened, because I hope everyone's alright, by the way, because I know a lot of you live on the Gold Coast, and I know a lot of people were affected. Let me know in the comments down below if you weren't affected, if you've had any issues. Talk it out. We'll have a chat about it. Just let me know. I hope you're all okay. Hope everyone's doing well. But yeah, comment below and let me know. Aye.
You get some bread buns while you're out.
I will do. I think you've slammed something.
Oh, ice cream.
So let's set off. Come on, let's go. Well, I'm here and I'm so surprised that there was hardly any traffic. I was expecting there to be queues a mile long, but actually it's pretty empty. You know what I think has happened? I think that people have come really early, and I'm here like just after lunch, so I'm sure it's probably for that reason. So let's go and have a look in Pandora, and then we'll have a look in Kmart as well at the sales. Hopefully, like, not everything's gone. I think last year I came and it was like later on in the evening. So yeah, I'm sure it was like later on, like tea time. So we should be alright. I ended up getting 2 charms. I got a spacer one of the world. I'll show you when I get in. And I also got a little mouse in a stocking, which I thought is really cute. Okay, so we're in Kmart right now, and half the original price for all of their Christmas stuff. Now, when I came last year, I think it was, they were doing amazing discounts, and I don't think it's that amazing at the minute, but I do think it'll reduce. But everything is half price at the moment. We'll go and have a look in the Christmas bit and see. There you go, everything's like half the original price for the Christmas items, little outfits and things. Let's have a look at the Christmas stuff. Yeah, they've got everything on half price, but I'm sure it'll get better because, like I said, last year I came and things were like 50 cents, 25 cents. He's half the price. I mean, that's cute, isn't it? I don't even know what the original price is though. Let's have a look. Doesn't tell you. What else have we got? Little dog outfits. I'm sure Baxter would love it. We've got little... Yeah, these are all half. He's half price. They are... Shelves have been stripped. So these will be, what, 12? 11? $11, yeah, I can't count. $11 for her. She's cute, mind. And you'd have to get him as well, wouldn't you? They're cute. What else have we got? That's half price, so that'll only be 6. What's wrong with my maths today? But that'll only be 6 as well. I might get, yeah, $6. Gotta get that for next year. Got to. Okay. Should I get 2 though? Might get 2. Yeah. Oh, this is the stuff that you put inside the tree, so they'll be like $2.50 each instead of 5. Should I get some of them? I don't know. Maybe. The tree could do with a lot more padding out. I'm not sure. This is half price as well. Them little legs that I got, they're half price. What else have we got? Okay, we've got wreaths. They're only $8. They'll be $8 because they were 16. And all the little games and things as well. Don't need any more toys though. I'm wondering whether to get one of these.
See, these are the ladies. Where's the coffee one? That lady.
I do like these. Be 22 if I wanted 2 of them though. No, just get me reindeers for now. But yeah, all the candles and everything. I tell you what I'll do. I'm going to go to the candles section and see if they've been reduced any. Wish me luck at the tills. They've got like heaps of half price things leading up to the tills. I'll try not to look. They're so cute though, aren't they? Love them. See, I don't think they were worth 22 each because they're really kind of light and there's nothing to them. But 7 each because I think they were 14. 22? Wait a minute, no. were 22, weren't they? 12. Alright, well that's not too bad, but $6 each, much better. I think the candles have been like bled dry. There's hardly any. I think the Christmassy candles were this way. Here they are. Okay. This is half price. That's pretty nice. So that'll be $7.50 for that. Don't even know what it smells like. Let's have a smell. Can't smell it. For $7.50. It's not quite the sale that they had last year, that's for sure. Honestly, things were like 25 cents. Maybe I need to come later on, like near New Year. That one's alright. Anywho, I don't think there's anything else. Did you think? Reindeer candle set. What's half the original price? So these are $6. Oh, that's good, isn't it? For $6.
Yeah, that's cool. One.
I think if you're into Harry Potter, these are pretty cool as well. Little night lights. $5.
Yo, take it, just download that one. And then download like Spider-Man or something, just in case the...
Okay, here's a clearance. Okay, these are half the original price. I still haven't opened that one, so a little gutted about that. These are pretty cool, $3 each. What else have we got? There's lots of sale stuff down here. They're still $8. These are like the whipped shower foam things. Coconut. If they were half price I would get one, but I'm not paying $8. How much are these? So this is a little bracelet. I think I've got me bracelet all sorted. Don't need that one. These are cool for $2.50. No, I need my nails done properly. I really do. These are now all half price, which is $2.50. These are all half price. Very good. That's half price as well. Beard and body wash, $3. Hey, that's quite good. I might have to get that for $3. And that one's only $5. That might be better value actually. So these have been reduced to $7. I'm not sure how they smell. There's something along there that's $2. It's Minnie the Mouse something.
Mga sabon.
Oh, I think it's a bath bomb. The soaps are only $1.50. Them soaps are absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I think it's the bath bomb that's $2. Yeah, it is. Multi-fizzer. I'm gonna get a good couple of Christmas puddings. Oh, the candy cane one smells better than the Christmas pudding. I might get a couple of them. That'll do. That should do me. Oh, I wonder if that's been reduced. I really like that. No. I should check how much it is really. I might go to a cash checker and see how much it is. I really should have got a bigger basket. Saying cash checker, I mean price checker. I'm making my way to the price checker just to check how much that is. Because I really, really like it for next year. Okay, here's the price checker. See if it's been reduced. Wow, yes, I'm getting it. Oh my god, love it. I hope it works. Wait a minute. I need to get one that works properly. Let's go and find them. We're on a mission now to find these. Where would it be? Nope. 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 No. So I managed to get quite a few bits. I'll just get to the car and I'll show you what I got. Also, I'm so excited about my Pandora. There is one online that's a little reindeer and it's only $15 on the Pandora online. I asked in store if they had it. They said no, it's only an online thing. So, because one of my bracelets is a Christmas theme and the other one is Disney. That's what I've decided. So, I can't wait. Actually, I hope they haven't run out. I'm gonna have to order it as soon as I can. The only thing is with that, it was $9 delivery for a tiny charm, $9. So it's kind of not really $15, is it? Unless I buy another one. But I'll have a look on the sale and see what else they've got that's reduced. 2 seconds, I'll just get in the car. Nope. Just trying to find somewhere to rest my phone where it's not going to fall while I try and show you things. I apologise if the aircon is noisy. It is hot in here. I'm going to show you my little charms. Oh, it's dark, isn't it? Is that better? Is that better? Again, I'm wearing no makeup because it's a no makeup month, I think, for me. For sure. Right, they put them both in one box. Look! I'm so excited. Okay, let's have a look. Thank you, Mom, for my money for these. I know you'll be watching. Oh, it's gorgeous. So I got a little world to put on my Disney one because I just thought it kind of relates. It's kind of Disney colours as well, and it kind of relates because Disney's like right round the world. And anyway, and the little mouse in a stocking is for my Christmas one. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at them. Can't wait to put them on. So I can't wait to kind of build up my charms for my bracelets. Like I said, one of them's going to be a Christmassy one and the other one is Disney. Okay, Kmart. What my thoughts are on the sale that they've got this year. It's not as good as last year. However, I think it was closer to New Year. Me and Elliot decided we wanted to go and have a little look around Kmart, and I'm sure it was close to New Year, and it was on the evening. It was about 6 o'clock, and they were putting stickers on everything. And like I said, there was candles for like 50 cents, 25 cents. There was ornaments for 25 cents. It was an amazing sale. But I thought I'd grab some things just in case they didn't have them anymore. So, like you could see, I grabbed 2 of these. There were 12, reduced to 6, and they're really big. I just think they're so nice. So I got 2, so I could put like one either side of whichever area I put them in. So there's 2 of them. And then I got this. It was the last one. I've seen this every time I've gone in and loved it. Absolutely loved it. Her little head, I did ask to see if they had any more, but he said no. Her little head doesn't move very much, and neither does hers, but I think it's because the batteries are running low. I'll show you. Do you know what I mean? I think it's because the batteries are running out because the voice is quite low, but that was only $10. I think it was 22 originally, reduced to 10. So very happy with that. Also got me and my mum-in-law one of these each. Washed that one, haven't I? These were reduced from 12 to 6, and it's just the battery operated candles, and they're gold, and you can have like a proper candle colour. I thought they were like coloured before I scanned them. I was like, oh, if they're just coloured then I might not want one, but actually you can have like a plain candle colour, which is lovely. So yeah, mainly for Christmas really. And then I got a couple of these candy cane soaps because they were reduced to $1.50 from $3, and they're very nice. So chuffed with that. I got 2 of those. I also picked up one of these. It's the Mickey and Minnie Body Mist Duo Set. That was $7, reduced from $14. I thought that was quite good. It's a handbag thing. I'm going to pop them in my little coffee handbag backpack. Excuse me. Excuse me. Wow. Okay. Let's pray together that it doesn't, that the weather's going to stay nice. It's going to stay nice. It's going to be nice. It's going to be nice. Okay, this was only $5. I think it was originally 10, reduced to 5. So for Elliot or Stephen, whoever wants it, we've got aftershave balm, hair and body wash, and shave gel. I'll probably give it to Elliot because I think it's his sort of thing. I think he'd love that. And it's by the Kmart brand Groomsmith. I think it's a Kmart brand. Yeah, I'm sure it is. But yeah, I'm sure he'll love that, Elliot. He's been such a helpful boy today, honestly. Like, he just deserves the world. He's lovely. And then I picked up a pen for $3.25. Just a pearlescent kind of multicoloured pen. Absolutely love it. I mean black ink, but multicoloured. You know what I mean. Anyway, that is my Kmart haul for today. Very happy with the bargains. Is that moved? Yes, it has. I don't want my phone to fall off here. Please don't fall. So yes, happy with the bargains. Like I said, it wasn't really anywhere near last year, but it might get better. They might start reducing things further. They probably will. And I love my charms. Oh, so cute. Anyway, depending on what we're doing, I might check in with you later today. Like I said before, we've got my parents-in-law staying, so haven't got my usual filming set up, and the bedroom's a mess. So, but anyway, I'll check in with you later anyway. So I've just been and got a couple of bottles of wine. I just feel like I need it lately. It's just ridiculous. I went into Coles for some buns, because Stephen wanted buns for some of them. He wants to make the meat into like sandwiches. It's like leftover meat from yesterday. And they didn't have any. They didn't have any buns. They didn't have any fresh baked bread. Didn't have any buns in the bread section, like the other bread section. Like there's fresh bread and then there's like packaged bread. They didn't have any. I tried calling him twice, but he didn't pick up. Honestly, like, don't know what's going on lately. And now it started raining, and I'm like, you can start off. Sorry, I'm just standing you on there just so I can show you. I got myself some new pyjamas from Best and Less. They were having a bit of a sale in there. Mind you, these weren't in the sale, but they were only $12, so I thought that was alright. There you are, aren't you? I'm looking there. You're there. They're just little flower power. There's the bottoms, just some little shorts. So that they're silk, not real silk, obviously. But Stephen's ringing. 2 seconds. Okay, he said he couldn't make a sandwich out of what we've got. We've got bread and things, so he'll just do that. Anyway, apparently it's to do with the storms. There's like hardly anything at Woolies as well. That was Coles that I went to, and there's hardly anything anywhere because of the storms. But anyway, this is the little top, because it's been really hot on a night time, so I thought this would be like quite cool. It's a size 8, but it looks quite big. I'm hoping it fits. I'm sure it'll be fine. Anyway, I'm gonna get home now. I keep looking there, it's there. Let's get home. I'm gonna show Stephen me Pandora charms. He's looking forward to seeing them. So okay, I'm gonna head. There's a cloud above. There's a cloud above, and I'm like, you dare. You dare. Anyway, let's get this little one out for a walk. Come on, Bubsy. Before it rains again, eh? Alright. It's warm. Door isn't shut. Yeah, it's looking a bit grey. Please just be calm tonight. Don't give us any gyp. Please. Please. Come on then, Baxi. Let's go for a lovely walk. Your daddy's coming now. He is. Love it when daddy comes with us. I just stopped recording, and as soon as I stopped recording, I heard some thunder. What the heck? Really don't want it to do the same tonight. Like, it better not. It better just chill. Calm your farm. Wanna go this way today? Look how vibrant the grass looks.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. The guy in the booze shop said, you don't mind me asking, where did you get your Jordans?
Yeah.
Because they're really nice. I was like, oh, they're not actually Jordans, but I can't remember the name of the shop for the life of us. JD, damn it. I was like, I think Culture Kings has got some in, but it is hit and miss. And he said, how much are they there? Like $2.70. I was like, no, I got mine for $1.70. He was like, no way. He says, how many pairs of Jordans have you got? Loads. I was like, nah, I've only got like one pair of Jordans and these.
Yeah.
I says, I wish. I'd have them all lined up. You daft doggy, aren't you? Are you daft? Ah, these patches are growing in, aren't they? Aren't they growing in? Well, sort of. You can kind of see the hair growing in, but he still looks boxy, don't you? You look boxy. You funny. Was it hot out there? At least it's nice and cool in here for a change. Excuse the mess in here, but there's some meats left from the lunches that people have been making, and the Baxi is getting some, haven't you? Look at his wide eyes, he loves beef. Oh, I can hear the rumbling of the thunder. Oh dear. Yum yums. Is that good? Absolutely loves beef. It's your favourite, isn't it? He's like, can't talk, eating. Was that lovely? Maybe don't have them bits. I think that might be onion. I want to have an onion. That'll do, yeah. Good lad. Goodness knows where anything's going to go. It's an absolute mess in here. Anyway, what I'm thinking is I'm going to put my charms on my bracelet. I should really make the bed, shouldn't I? This is ridiculous. I mean, come on. Right, I've made the bed. That's a bit better. Hashtag real life, really, isn't it? Jeez. Anyway, I'm going to put my bracelet together. Let's do that. And then I'm thinking maybe we'll open this teeny calendar together because I don't think there's many in it. And it might have some charms in it, but I'm not sure I'll be putting them on my Pandora because it's not Pandora, you know. But we'll see. Let's see what's in there. And I might, if we've got time, open this 12 days of bath treats. These are on half price as of today. And I haven't even opened it. But never mind. Doesn't matter. So let's get this bracelet sorted. I'm trying to fiddle on with this to like balance it somewhere. Forgetting that it's actually got a stand. Isn't that brilliant? Oh, I love it. It has to be my favourite gift. I love it so much. Okay. Let's get these charms onto these bracelets. Mickey, and I know it's not really Disney, this world, but I thought it would go really well with the Disney one because Disney's all over the world, isn't it? I love it. And then the little Christmassy one. Again, thanks, Mom. Okay. There we go. I mean, he is kind of upside down, which I don't appreciate them being upside down. I'll fiddle with it later. Anyway, love it. Okay, let's very quickly get into this little calendar. I just wanted to make it a bit of a vlog for you so that it's not like nothing happened, you know. Because Kmart wasn't the best sale ever. Like, I thought it would be better. Clearly it wasn't too good. This I bought at the beginning of the year. It was on AliExpress or something for about $10. So I thought, yes, that'll add to my collection. Ooh, I thought there was only 12 doors, but there isn't. There is 24, 23, 24. Okay, let's quickly get into it. Let's see what it is, because I can't even remember what it is. I don't know if it is jewellery or what. Let's have a look. No flipping way. No flipping way. Look at this. Got the little hole in it. How cute is that? And it's the same on the other side. What the heck? Just spent over $100 on these. Although these won't be the same quality, will they? Really? Well, let's double check. 2. I'm sure we're not. Number 2. Let's see what else we've got. I'm excited now. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, that's beautiful. What do you reckon? Are these the same? They won't be the same quality as Pandora. Comment below what your thoughts are. Whether you think these will be like the same kind of quality. Number 3. How, like, this is weird. I forgot actually what kind of calendar this was. So I didn't realise it would be charms. Ah, that's nice. Oh, see, you can tell it's not the same quality actually. If you look at this one. That's that side. And that's the other side. It's got like a little bit of a thing on the end. Might be able to scrape it off. It is raised, so yeah, I'll probably be able to scrape it off. But what the heck? Okay, number 4. Number 4. Where are you? There it is. Number 4. Are they all just little... Ooh, this one's nice. It's like a ball. How nice is this? It looks like little snowflakes. I like that. Okay. Number 5. Let's see, number 5. I'll wet my pants if there's any characters. Like Christmassy characters. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. Okay, number 6. Number 6 is here. No way. It's another ball. It's like ropes. That's unusual. Isn't that unusual? I'm sorry if my fingers are dirty. I was taking the trees out. I think I might have already said that. 2, 4. That's number 6. Okay, number 7. Taking the trees out. Never thought I'd ever have to say that. Wow, what's this? What's this? It's a hot air balloon? No way! This is gorgeous. I don't know if you can see the colour. It's so pretty. Wow. That's for like a necklace or something, isn't it? I love that. Okay. Number 8. I'm pretty blown away actually. Number 8. Just here. Oh, it's a Christmas tree. Wow. Yeah, you can tell the quality isn't the best. The magic of Christmas, it says on the back. I mean, you can tell the quality of the jewels and things is not the same as Pandora. The magic of Christmas. Wow. Okay, that was number 8. Number 9. Please be some characters. I was looking at these in Pandora and they look the same. No way. No way. It's not going to spoil my bracelet if I put some of these on, will it? Let me know if it's going to spoil my bracelet if I put these on. Please, if you know. That one there, it's like rainbow. And it's just one of those. I know the ones from Pandora actually say Pandora, I think. Well, the world one doesn't actually. And my little stocking mouse also doesn't. Oh no, it does. Oh no, it's got words on the bottom. The magic of Christmas. Me real Pandora actually says the magic of Christmas as well. Are these the same quality? I don't know. Okay, number 9. Number 9, number 10. Already done 9, there's number 10. What's this? It looks like a crown. Looks like a little crown. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like Queen's Jubilation. I'm thinking of the Grinch. Jubilation. The Queen's Jubilee crown. Look at that. What in the world? Honestly, I'm shooketh. Number 11. Absolutely blown away, honestly. Number 11 is another rounded one. That's not the nicest. Yeah, that's not the best. That was number 11. Number 12. Number 12. If there is some characters, I'll be over the moon. I don't think there is though. Oh, this one's like a... I think it's supposed to be a shell. That's pretty. Very pretty. Okay, number 13. I'm just flying through this because I don't want to take up too much of your time. Oh, this one's nice. See, that's very much like the Pandora one. Although it has got a little bit of like inconsistency to it. Just there, you can see it's like either broken or there's a bit of paint on it or something. I don't know. It's nice though. I think I like that one the best. The one with the snowflake on it. Okay, what was that? Number 12. Okay, 13. 13. Have we already done 13? Yes, we have. 14. There we go. Let's see. Okay, so it's another one of those. That's good because that one isn't, like, hasn't got any defects. Couldn't think of the word. Okay, 15. There it is down here. Let's see what we get here. Oh, this is pretty. I'm excited. If I can, I might put these on, or some of them, a couple of them, on my current bracelets. This one, however, it is pretty, but look, it's got like a bit of metal where it shouldn't have. That's a shame, because that's gorgeous. Look at that. What a shame. Okay, number 16. Did we already do 16? You're probably shouting at me like, you did that one! 16. Where's number 16? There it is. No, I didn't. Didn't do that one. Ah, oh, that's nice. That says love. I like that. That's lovely. Okay, 17. Ooh, that's very Disney. That looks like a Frozen charm. Do you know what I'm guessing? I'm guessing that these won't be waterproof and these are, so I can wear these in all weathers and not worry about it, whereas these will probably rust. Do you think? Let me know what your thoughts are. It doesn't have the same feel to it if it's not Pandora either. 18's at the bottom here. Oh, there's the bracelet, look. That's the actual bracelet itself. Hey, that's not bad, that. That's not bad at all, that. I mean, it's not the same. You can tell it's not the same quality. But for like a young, like a teenage girl or something would love this. Isn't that lush? Oh, lovely. Okay, number 19. There it is, in amongst the words. Oh, it's a teddy bear. It's a little teddy bear with a heart. Now I love that. I really love that. Wow. Oh, I love that. Okay, number 20. 20 is here. That's another Frozen spacer. I call it Frozen because it looks like the Frozen colours, like a sparkly blue. Okay, 21. Another bracelet. Oh, it's a different. Wow, so this one's got like the rope and the little thing that goes in. Ooh, that would easily come off, wouldn't it? That's lovely, that though, isn't it? Gorgeous. Wow. Okay, number 22. 22 is here. It's another spacer. And it's, I think it's the same as the one we've got before. Yeah, it's the same as that other one we got. It's like multicolours in it. Gorgeous. 23. I'm almost sad to finish this one. What's this? Oh, hey, that's nice. Look at that. It's got like feathers on it. Ah, it's lovely, that. Gorgeous. And last but not least, number 24. Ah, it's another spacer. It's actually got stars on it, this one. That's really nice. None left, is there? Well, I think my favourite has to be a teddy bear. I think. Where's my teddy bear gone? Yeah, the teddy bear is definitely my favourite. He looks quality, like he looks like he would go on one of these. I might actually just add him and then get Pandora for the rest. And if he starts to tarnish, I'll take him off straight away. Do you think he'll tarnish? Do you think he'll ruin the bracelets? Or I might not, just in case. I don't know, I'm so indecisive. What's wrong with me? Anyway, right. I'm going to let you go because this vlog is probably ridiculously long, and I'm sorry for taking up too much of your time. I hope you enjoy me popping on during Christmas and New Year because I can't stay away. I really can't. And let's pray that there's no STORM tonight. That's alright. You can sit and come in and everything. Dogs just got Oh. Right, so I'm going to say goodbye. Was there anything I wanted to say here? Leave a comment below how you're doing. If you're alright, let me know everyone's okay. Especially if you live like Gold Coast, because I know the Gold Coast was very much hit. But anyway, I'm gonna love you and leave you, and thanks for joining me. Sorry I've had no makeup on and looked a bit rough for the last however many videos, and I'm sorry the place was a mess, but such is life, huh? It's just life. Alright, I'm gonna let you go. I'll stop yammering, and I'd love to see you back in my next video, guys. Bye! Mwah.